Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So please excuse the state of me, but I have got an Ikea, a little bit of a come shop with me and a haul. So if you're interested to see what I picked up and what's new in store, just continue to watch. So dangerous, I get this. So hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. And if you are one of my lovely subscribers coming back, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't already, there is a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would absolutely love for you to click that and stick around. It really helps me and my channel out. It's completely free and entirely up to you. But without further ado, let's get into today's Ikea vlog and haul. So excuse the state of me because this is a bit of an impromptu intro and haul. Basically, I went to Ikea today with my mum and dad because I needed to pick up some chest of drawers. I needed to get these chest of drawers and I needed to get 7 of them because we're doing a walk-in wardrobe in our room. We've switched the rooms around as I've spoke to you about. I'm currently filming in my new bedroom, just like in the only tidy area I seem to have right now. And we're switching the bedrooms around and I need to go and pick up these chest of drawers. Don't worry, I'm going to be vlogging all of that for you. But while I was in there, I thought I'll take my camera with me. I'm not the best at vlogging, but I did manage to film a little bit in there, so I'll put that in here for you and then I'll show you exactly what I picked up. Just a little bit of a few snippets around Ikea. I absolutely love looking at all the rooms like that they make up around there. So I thought I would just show you a little bit. It's Wednesbury, the Ikea near me, but I'm sure they're all kind of very similar. But I'll show you exactly what I picked up. So as I said, I picked up 7 of those chest of drawers. They are the Cullen. They are £69, I believe. Now, we're doing a walk-in wardrobe room. And we had a quote for packs, which was a lot of money. I'm not talking over £2,000 because of the amount of wardrobes we wanted. And we love drawers, but I really wanted to do something that was DIY but also didn't look cheap. So we managed to size up all the room in there, and like I say, I will talk you through that when we do it. But those chest of drawers worked out really well. They were just £69 each, like I say. Sales that we bought with these ones, they are £5 each, and I also picked up 6 of those. So that is everything I've got for the wardrobe, and then I will talk you through. I've got my receipt here and I'll go through it. So I'm going to start off with the things that we got for the kids, because I just thought there'd be a nice time to do it, because the next thing on the receipt is the, is it Marla? Is it called? The Marla easel. So I actually wanted to get this, Lucas, for Christmas last year, but they had sold out completely. So I only bought the roll of paper, but I couldn't get the easel. So it was there today. There were so many of them. They're only £22. This is what they look like. They've got a chalkboard on one side and a whiteboard on the other, and then you can put the roll of paper on that you can buy separately, which I think is £4.50. And I think it's just an amazing idea for the kids. So to go with that, I picked up a whiteboard eraser with the 4 pens in. This was £3.50, I believe. These were £3.50. I knew they were £3.50. We do have a pack of other colours for the whiteboard as well, so I picked those up. I also picked up some of the Marla felt tips. If you are ever after felts, if your kids love drawing, these are such good value for money. So yeah, these are amazing. So these are the big packs. These are £4.50, but you can also get the little packs. So I picked up 2 of the little packs as well. These are half that price. They are £2.25, but they are so good for the kids, and I just end up getting them a couple of packs of these for birthday, for Christmas. They just come in really good for stocking fillers, and the kids love them as well, and they're really good to colour with. Like, they're really nice nibs, if that makes sense. So yeah, I picked up some of those. The last thing in the kids section is some plastic bowls and spoons and cups. I wanted to get the plates. Unfortunately, they didn't have them, which was really gutting, but these are such good value for money. I think they're £1.50 each, if I'm right. So £1.50 for 6 cups, £1.50 for 6 bowls. And then I even picked up the spoons. So there's 4 spoons in there as well. So the spoons are 50p for 4 spoons. I mean, they're just really good to have. The boys have got the like the bright ones that they used to do ages ago, but they are like died a bit of a death now. They've had like beans and stuff in them, and they've discoloured. So I thought I would just swap them out for some nice fresh ones. Just nice fresh ones, and I love the pastel colours. Yeah, so I picked those up. Absolute bargain. Do you know, these would be really good if you like have a lot of kids parties as well, like being washable. So next up, I will go to a little bit of storage. So I picked up more of these dimper bags. I have a few of these already. I probably have about 4 of them. They are massive, so they can fit, I think they say they can fit a duvet in. You can see like this is the depth of them, and then this is the size of them. They're just clear plastic zippy bags, but these are so good for, I find, like decor, seasonal decor, Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff, Easter stuff. They're just really easy because they're see-through. They're £3 each, but I've had the other 2 for years now, and I really love them. You can fit so much in. I think I can fit all my Christmas stuff in 2 of these, which is a bit of a achievement, if you ask me. So yeah, these are £3 each, and they're called dimper. Next up in the storage section, I picked up some of these. I've not seen these before. I think they are new, and they are basically just like storage trays. They are for doing like drawers out and stuff, so I might get some more of these when we do the wardrobe room. But these are actually for my bedside tables. These were just £1 each. No, these were 50p each, and they're, I think they're 50p. They're the no jig. I'm sure they were 50p. Yeah, these were just 50p, and then I got these tiny ones, and these were 25p. These I really love for putting in drawers for like bits and bobs. So I have one of these in my bedside table for things like earrings, or just the odd like hair clip or something, you know, and you just shove things in drawers. I just find if they're in like a little dish or plastic thing like this, you can clear it out every once in a while. I use it for like if my belly bar, I change my belly bar, or my earring. They're just really great for that. So these are just 25p each, and I'm going to see how they get on, but I might go back and get more in future. But yeah, this is like a really nice grey like stone cream colour. Yeah, so I picked up some of those. I also picked up some more of these scub, that's what they're called, the scub. So these I actually have already, quite a few of them. I wish they did them separately because I just like the bigger cubes, if I'm honest. But you get 2 big cubes, 2 like of the rectangle size and 2 of the tiny squares. And these are just £6 for all of them, so it works out like £1 each. I love these for the kids' wardrobes, and again they're really good for drawer inserts. They're really good for like separating things in the drawers, like I separate the kids' underwear and stuff with them. So for the money they're great. I have a lot of these in like a cream colour, so I picked these up because these are a white, and yeah, so I picked those up £6. Anything else storagey? Yeah, okay, so it's kind of storage, it's kind of kitchenware. This is the Ikea 365 range. I have a load of these glass Tupperware. I nearly bought the smaller ones as well today, which are like the square ones. But I thought I would stick with the rectangle. I've got a lot of the rectangle lids already, like the bamboo lids. So I picked up this one because it's the same rectangle size, but it's a deeper dish. And yeah, I picked this up because sometimes I have a little bit more food and it's better to have it deeper than wider that way. So I have got the bigger ones, but I'm going to try and get them also rectangle so I can interchange the lids a bit more. Just thought it might be more affordable because they're not the cheapest. So this glass dish, I want to say it's £3.50. Yeah, this is £3.50. So I picked up one of those, and then yeah, I picked up some of these lids, which are the different ones. So these are the clip lids, and they've got the seal on. The bamboo lids are great, but the seals aren't amazing, and especially when Matt takes food to work, he needs them to be safe to put them in his bag. So I picked up these were £1.50 each, and again, if I buy them in the rectangle ones, they will go with all like the rectangle containers that I already have. So I picked up 2 of those. And then finally, I suppose, which is still like storage kitchenware, I picked up another carafe. These carafes I think are £3. Yes, £3. And I use, sorry, my battery died. So yeah, these are the crafts that I use. I use them for my laundry detergent, my laundry powder. I also use them for my blackcurrant and orange squash. I picked up another one. I can't remember what it was for now, but it was on my list for when I went, so I'm sure I will remember what it was for. But these are £3. You can pick them up at loads of places now, but I just really like the ones from Ikea. And I've already got the ones from Ikea, so this one matches, so happy days. Right, still in the kitchen section, so I'm on to my last few items now. I picked up some bits for the kitchen. So if you follow my channel for a while and you've followed or like my kitchen renovation, everything that I did, you'll see that I picked up a lot of my plates and bowls from Ikea, and it was this set. I think they're called Upplager. So they are white and all the edging is like this wavy, like old school bone china. I just love the style of these because it's definitely up my alley. I love like modern classic, if that even isn't like a thing. Like I love traditional things, I love like the classic things, but I love like just the modern versions of them. So I actually have had to replace a couple of them because they've chipped off a little bit. It's just wear and tear. The fact that I've got a ceramic sink and china bowls, it's not always going to end well. They aren't the cheapest, but I did need to replace them, so I did. I needed to get the bowls are £2.50. I also needed to pick up 3 side plates. These were £2.50. These are what the plates look like. Again, they've got that beautiful edging around them. And then I needed to pick up 2 dinner plates, which are £3.50. So I picked up just some odd ones of those to replace my chipped ones. I still can use the chipped ones, to be fair. I just don't like to give them to the kids just in case they catch the fingers on them or something. So yeah, I picked up some more of those. And then 2 more things. So I wanted to get some more wine glasses. I have crystal. I love cut glass. I'm a lover of cut glass. I have a lot of decanters and all the old cut glass. But I find that wine glasses are really hard to find in a set. And I had a beautiful set of 6 wine goblets. And just one by one, they've got chipped, they've got broken, they've got broke, basically. So I picked up some more wine glasses. These are a bit more modern for me, but I really love these. They have these when we go to Miller and Carter, and I just love the feel, the style. I really love them. These are actually crystal, if you can hear. They were £2.50 a glass, so I picked up 6 of these. These were £2.50 each, I believe. 6 wine glasses, yeah, at £2.50. They're technically red wine glasses, but who cares? They're wine glasses. It all goes down the same way. So I picked up 6 of these. Cheers. Finally, my last buy of the day, and it was actually something that I found on my way while I was running to get another flatbed trolley, and it was this really beautiful faux lavender. I've been looking for a lovely plant for in this bedroom. I wanted something, again, something classic, but I wanted something with a hint of colour, and I could not find anything. I went to so many stores, and then I saw this on the way out, and I thought, oh my gosh, that is perfect for what I need it for. The plant itself was £10, which is quite steep, but isn't it beautiful and lifelike? And then these pots are only £3. They do them in different styles. I've got a few of these pots already around like the house and stuff. I just love the simplicity of them. I love like the lined one. That's my favourite one. And they also have one that's got lines down like that one's lovely as well. But yeah, I picked this up, so it was like £13 for the pot, but this is from my windowsill in my bedroom. I think I'm going to try it in a minute and see what it looks like in here, but I just really loved that. I saw it and I didn't even look at the price of this. I was like, that is coming home with me, because I just love the shade. I love the bit of colour, but it's not too much. I just loved everything about it. So yeah, picked that up. That was my final buy of the day. So that is everything I bought from Ikea. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite Ikea item is, because I find that there's so many hidden gems in Ikea, and you know, I watch so many of these videos before I go to Ikea just in case, because I don't want to miss out on anything. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favourite Ikea buy is. I would love to know. And don't forget to hit that button to subscribe and stick around. It really does mean the world to me. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye. You set my world on fire. You're my heart.